This is Devin, and we are doing a What's in My Backpack with Tengtrakool Backpack. He's not here, so I'm here by myself. So, let's see. We're doing only the back pocket only. Okay, so we're doing the back pocket only in What's in My Backpack. So in the laptop sleeve, we got this caffeine pop. Very interesting, never seen this before. Leche flavored, 35 calories, 7 grams of sugar, 40 milligrams of caffeine, 1,000 units of vitamin D, which is 125% of your daily value. Sweet potato is inside. The ingredients look very healthy. It looks very organic. I don't know if you can see that. Very nice. This is going back to the laptop sleeve. We got a napkin also in the laptop sleeve. I would throw this away, but hey, it's not my backpack. And we got, let's see. There's a lot of postcards in this backpack. Very strange, but Pure 39 in his laptop sleeve. It's going back. Okay. Now we're doing still last pocket, but yeah, this is the non-laptop sleeve in the last pocket. We got an adapter, non-anchor. I don't like the sound of that. iTonic, it seems like a shitty third-party brand. A lot of ports, not bad. USB 3.0, USB 2.0, HDMI, SD and micro SD. Not bad. The length of the dongle itself is great. I like it. We got a ticket to the Butterfly Pavilion, Museum of Natural History, $8. The month is scratched out, but it's Monday, blank, 17th, 2025. So I'm sure you can figure out the month based on Monday, 17th, 2025. Adult ticket. Yeah, that's pretty much everything on here. Going back into the bag. We got Goodbye Stress, GABA, L-theanine, and lemon balm. Gummies or something like that. Yeah, it seemed like gummies. Serving size 2 gummies, 10 gummies total on this. 15 calories, 2 grams of sugar, GABA, L-theanine, lemon balm extract. Literally no other. Glucose corn syrup, sweet potato. That's interesting because sweet potato is also in the popsicle. So I think sweet potato is actually for coloring, and that's what I assume. Vegetable oil and wax. Yeah, gluten free. Expires in October. Use soon. Okay, let's see what this is. I go in. So this is the San Francisco Freedom Club. Do you know you were born free? Free from debts and obligations to anyone? Free to think and say what you want? Morally free to do whatever you want, as long as you hurt no other person? That's great. It's from signed Egoin. Pretty good. It's back. In the same vein, we got a sticker, San Francisco Freedom Club. Another postcard, Fisherman's Wharf. I see in San Francisco. Not as good as the other postcard, I will say. We got a payment enclosed to gift front, but I believe it's sealed. Yeah, so I will not be opening that. But 360 Pine Street. Oh, another postcard. Pier 39. I think we already got a Pier 39 postcard, but another one. I guess Matt likes his postcards. Okay. Now we're getting to the good stuff. We got a letter. It's actually, see this crease? It's preventing me from taking the letter out because it's also creased inwards, and I want to leave everything as is, so I am not going to be opening this letter. But I'm sure there's some very amazing stuff in it. Angel Fish. This reminds me of Fish on Banana, their Instagram account. I wish they would post again. They have not recently. It's just a poem, Guardian Angelfish by Andrea Gibson. And some colored pencils underlying stuff. I make you happy. Is there anything left to do in this life, my love? I don't think so. It's just a big poem, but I assume some stanzas are underlined in something that I know that has significance to him. Yeah. And we got a letter. Oh, is this? No, it's open. I thought this was unopened. But it says, "See you soon, Ellie." This could be Alyssa. This could be someone Matt is cheating on. I don't know. It is also creased, so I will not be opening it. Lastly, we got his laptop. Good laptop. I do not know this password, so this is going back. You know what? Let's go through. There's too much stuff in this front pocket. Let's do his very front pocket. There's only not too much here. Chum sunglasses. Ray-Bans, not bad. Maybe fake, maybe real. I don't know. I'm not the judge. Tic Tacs, maybe. It seems like a pill bottle. I will not be opening this. Oh, great deodorant. I have the same one. His wallet. We got a little high school Matt here. Oh, it's like a sticky thing. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, that's strange because it's magnetic, but a credit card's right here. I don't know if his credit cards will work due to the magnetism. That's not my problem though. That's his. We got some foreign currency and a passport. I will not be showing that, and a visa. We got Purell. Off-brand, Purell, not Purell, sorry. Third party. We got some gum. Orbit. And lastly, we got, where is that? Oh, okay, we got a couple more stuff actually. We got some coins. Quarter. I need a quarter for my laundry, so I may be asking him for that. We got some Benadryl. Fun fact, I believe some like allergists or something, like the National Association says no, you should no longer use Benadryl because even though it's like the gold standard, at least it was. There's some newer medication, not as well known, but they are urging people to use that instead if you have allergies. We got some native deodorant. Yeah, that's it. Pinning everything back. Yeah, I think that's, oh, I forgot to put back the native. That's it. Let me know if you guys want to see another video like this with Nikhil's backpack. Thank you.